The second technology of handguard is how we bend the danger. So for this we have a ball screw spindle and a servo motor into the height adjustment of this handguard machine. You know this technology from CNC routing or drilling machines, and we use these for the height adjustment and also for the handguard technology. Why we do these? You can drive with the ball screw spindle really quick and you are controlled all the time. So the aggregate is held by the ball screw spindle and driven by the servo motor. We start when we see the danger, we drive fast and we stop it before it hits some points. The longevity of the system is coming from the ball screw spindle and the servo drive motor. So we drive gentle down, we can go quick, but we don't hit the ground. We don't throw the whole aggregate. Also the material, you don't have any quality issues if you are triggering down into the material.